Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure a connection to an OPC UA server with a built-in OPC UA client and how to use it to retrieve measured values. You can use the OPC UA client in the GridVis desktop as well as in the GridVis web. In the GridVis desktop, you can open the OPC UA client via the corresponding icon in the toolbar. In the GridVis web, you can access the OPC UA client via the navigation menu. Create a new connection. Assign the connection to a project if you have integrated several projects. This assignment cannot be changed afterwards. Enter the access data for the OPC UA server. Note that not all OPC UA servers support an anonymous connection. Use the connection test to check your entries. The context menu takes you to the connection settings. If entries in the tag browser of the server have been changed, the tag browser must be updated manually. This function can also be found in the context menu. Open the configuration for the OPC tags. To obtain a measured value from the server, you must subscribe to the particular tag. First, define which measured value you want to obtain. In a tag, you can use either a GridVis system variable or a user-defined variable. Enter the name of the measured value to obtain a list of possible system variables. If needed, you can set a scaling factor. Have the measured value recorded so it can be used both as a live value and a historical value. Tags are arranged in groups. Use a group to configure the recording of all tags contained in this group. Individual groups of an OPC UA connection are available in the GridVis in the same way as measurement devices. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.